Hi, I'm Kate, and I'm a junior studying interior design at Pratt Institute, but I'm in Copenhagen now to study for the semester. I didn't actually know what interior design was before I came to college. My friend talked me into it because I was deciding between architecture and fashion, but I'm really glad that I'm in it now. Good that I listened to her. Growing up, my parents always encouraged me to express myself and invent my world and figure it out on my own. I think that they were probably tired and couldn't play with me anymore, but I ended up making a lot of really cool things and was always changing my environment around me and doing weird stuff. But a lot of teachers were always saying, you know, different is good and it's what's unique about you that makes you who you are. And I used to laugh about it, but it's really true, and I carry that with me in my life and when I design, and that's kind of how I started to approach this library project. I realized that the people using the space, you know, they're all on this intellectual journey. They're reading in a book, searching for information online, asking questions to the librarian or the people around them, or just letting their mind think about ideas and discover new things. Then what I try to do is figure out what might not be working or what I can take and make better for the people. And for the library, I thought that the experience that they had in the space didn't reflect that intellectual journey that they were having at all. It just wasn't engaging the users. So then what I like to do is change it. And for this project, I focused on creating a physical journey within the space and tried creating a unique wayfinding system that encouraged curiosity and observation. I like to encourage people to just kind of look around them and see what's in their surroundings and just be aware and not just look at their feet every day. I wanted the users to be able to explore their surroundings much like how they explore a book or a web page. It starts when you see something and it leads you somewhere else, which directs you to a new place, and eventually you're revealed the answer. That moment of discovery and that reveal doesn't mean as much if you didn't have a journey to get there. You know, that's what makes it better. That's what makes it great for you, is the process of how you found it. I also realized early on that the people in the library were drawn to the areas of light and the sources of light, like the windows, and so I use that to help me design my space and intrigue the users to explore through it and just be curious and follow that instinct. And that resulted in my project Lightscape. And I know that change isn't always good, but you can't know until you try something whether it'll work or be beneficial. And I think that things start to get really interesting when we question what's normal. We've already defined it once, you know, we can keep redefining it, it's all relative. And that's why I love design a lot, because design really has an impact. And we get this great chance to take our imaginations and turn it into something real. In my life, I'm always trying to explore beyond what I know, and that's also how I design. Kind of like thinking out of the box, I guess, but that's usually where the good stuff happens.